establish the connection to our customers DB. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna tackle a question that could seriously change how your business operates. What if you could talk to your company's data just as easily you talk to your colleague? Well, that's exactly what we are gonna break down. How to build an AI agent that can do just that. Alright, let's really dive into that idea. Just think about it for a second. What becomes possible when an AI can securely tap into your company's private data? I mean, when it really understands your customers, your inventory, your sales history, not just general knowledge, but the stuff that is specific to you. Okay, to get there, we first have to talk about pretty good limitations with most large language models. And that brings to our first section, the AI's data blind spot. Think of it like a wall between all that general knowledge of an AI has and your specific private data. This slide really lays out the problem, doesn't it? A standard LLM, it's a world-class generalist. Ask it what's the capital of France, you get Paris instantly, no problem. But then you ask to something that actually matters to your business, like who is our top customer in Mumbai? Nothing. It just hits a brick wall. Why? Because it knows all about the public world, but it has absolutely zero access to your private one. So the big question is, how do we tear down that wall? Well, the solution is to build a specialized AI agent that acts like a bridge, and that's what we are gonna look at right now. Okay, the database translator agent. The best way to wrap your head around this, to think of it agent as a data librarian, a really great librarian, right? They haven't read every single book in the building, of course not, but what they have done is master the system, the card catalog. They listen to your question and they know exactly how to find the right information. Our AI agent, it does the exact same things. It's card catalog, it's just the structure of your database, and here's how that whole process works. It's actually a pretty simple 4-step flow. So step 1, you just ask a question in plain English. Then step 2, the AI agent translates that into an SQL query. The language databases speaks. Step 3, a special tool we give it actually runs that query. And finally step 4, the database sends back the answer. It's a direct bridge from your simple question right to your data. Okay, so in today's video we build an AI agent that talks to MySQL. We build an AI agent that can understand natural language questions, query MySQL database to find the answer and return the relevant data. It can read data, search for specific information and answer your questions directly. Create a file, MySQL AI agent.py. Okay, first of all we have to create a database named customers DB. So just write in your terminal, create database customers DB. Okay, and just write use customers DB and create a new table in this database. Okay, so create table customers, ID integer, auto increment primary key, name varchar, email varchar, city varchar, purchase amount integer. Okay, and insert some data into it. So I'm writing here insert into customers, name, email, city, purchase amount, and their values is here. Okay, so after that open your MySQL AI agent py file. Okay, and write some code. First of all, we have to import the necessary libraries for Gemini and MySQL, like import Google Generative AI as GenAI and import MySQL.connector like this, and you have to configure your Gemini API key. Okay, and after that you have to establish the connection to our customers DB. The directory true, argument formats result as easy to use Python dictionaries. Okay, so enter your host name, username and their password, and also database name here. Okay, So let's create the tool's execution logic. First, we write a standard Python function that takes an SQL query as a string, executes it using our database cursor, and returns the result. This function is the engine of our tool. So in tool function, a simple powerful function, it takes one argument query and returns a list of database rows. The most important part, this is how the AI knows when to use the tool. A clear description is critical. So here is the description. Executes an SQL statement. SQL select query on the customer's DB database, always return result as a JSON string. Here is the agent model. We equip our Gemini model with the MySQL tool we just defined here. Okay. Print agent, show me customers from Pune. Okay, click on run. So here is showing MySQL connection established successfully. User questions, show me customers from Pune. Executing SQL query, select asterisk from customers where city is equal to Pune. Query return 2 rows. So here is showing 2 rows. Like this, you can fetch data using AI agents. If you have any query, then you can ask in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.